Notion tutorial for beginners, how to use Notion.so for personal and work needs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Notion.so for personal use and for work needs as well. So let's get into it. First of all, you guys need to go to Notion.so and you will land on this platform right here. Notion is a very famous project management software that allows you to create your own boards, create tasks, collaborate with your team, and much more. In order to get started with Notion.so, you will get to the website and you will click on Try Notion for free. To sign up, you have to enter your email address or you can sign up with your Google account or Apple ID. It is available for free and there is no credit card required. After the initial sign up or sign in to your Notion, this is where you will get. Now I'll show you how to set up your Notion as a complete beginner, how to add page, and how you can actually create a hub for your work. Let's get into it. So let me show you around. First of all, you will get your workspace here and we have different options. We have search, update, settings and members, and import, where I will be able to import my files and documents from Word and HTML files as well. Then we have different pages that we create on Notion, and each page can have different tasks and we can assign it to someone, add due dates, and much more. So you can see we have some of the pages already created, such as quick note, personal home, task list, general, reading list, but you can always delete them and customize your Notion hub space completely. Then we have templates right here and trash. In templates, you will be able to choose from pre-made pages and projects on Notion. So you can go with a to-do list, then we have project and task, project, task and sprints, meetings, documents, company home. Then we have design sprints, design systems, experiment details, results, media list, and more. So this actually helps us save a lot of time. And with the Notion templates, we will be able to save time and we will also get a pre-made professional project for our work. So we can use a template, and I'm going to actually choose a template for my project and task, and I will also show you how to create one from the scratch. So we're going to select project and task right here. I am actually customizing my Notion for my work. Let's say I have my marketing team and I'll show you how I will customize my Notion. I have selected project and task, and this is where it will look like. I'm going to click on get template and we can add it to our workspace. So I'm just going to click on add. And there you go. We have our own page and you can see it has been added right here. So first of all, we have task. This is where I will be creating my task for my team. So we have by project, mine, people. This is according different filters that are with the template. Then we have the new option, which will allow me to create a new task. Then we have status, assignees, due, and project. Let's create a new task on Notion and I'm going to go ahead and call it task 1. Then we can add a status if it's started, or we can rename it. I'm going to click on rename and add more statuses. So you have not started, in progress, completed, archived. We can add more in to do. For example, we will also be writing scripts. So I'm going to add like status for scripts and click on done. You can see it will be added. So let's say that this task is in progress. I'm going to select this status. We can also select different colors for each status on Notion. For example, I want the note started to be in a brown color. So I can select the color, you can see. And then we have like archived. So I want the archives to be pink. So I can select the color. This helps us to customize and manage our Notion better. Then we have assignee. So in assignee, again, I will be adding different team members, but where are the team members? How to add team members to Notion? It's actually really easy. We have this share option right here. You can click on share and you can actually invite by email. So enter the email of the person you want to invite, enter, click on invite, and an invitation will be sent to them through their email address. And now you can see I have a new person. So I can assign this task to them or I can assign it to myself. So for now, I'm going to assign it to myself and give myself full access. So on Notion, why I like Notion, it's because we get a lot of different options on Notion to customize and to actually automate our work. With assigning, we get more options such as full access, can edit, can comment, or can view, or we can remove someone as well. This option is most of the time not available in most of the project management softwares. So you can see we have full access. Now it depends on you. So this person, I'm going to give myself full access and I will assign it. So now we have an assignee. Then we can add a due date. For due date, you just have to select the time format, 12 hours, and then you will open up the date and enter the due date. Then we have a project, and what I can do is I can add this task in a certain project. We can also add icon and cover, so I'm going to go ahead and click on add icon. And this is going to be the icon for my task 1, and we can also add a cover. So for the cover, we can select from our gallery, or we can go with the one that Notion is suggesting. So for now, I think my task 1 is done. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on save, and my task will be added. We can also expand our task with this option right here. Then we have switch peak mode, share, comment, then we have view changes, make it favorite. Click on these 3 dots. You will be able to change the style. Then we have log page, we have add to favorites, copy link, duplicate, open in Windows app, undo, page history, delete. So with Notion, we have unlimited options, and we can even customize the fonts and styles. And Notion is like working on your own, like a document, like you're writing a document, and you want to highlight different things, and you want to add different statuses and different colors. So it's actually a really good platform to work on, even for personal use. Once the task is created, we can now close it, and you can see I have task here. This is my project, and we can give our project a name or create a new page for the project. So this is going to be easy now. Just click on new and create as many tasks as you want to. The task will be added right here in this page. You can also add a cover for your page right here, and this is my task page for my team. Let's go ahead and create a task list. So I'm going to switch to the task list option, and it's going to be a to-do. In to-do, I am going to be write a script. Then I'm going to add few of the other to-dos. You can add as many to-dos and doing right here, and then you can move your different task to done once you're done with them. So let's say I have written the script, and I have also done the proofreading, then I will just move these to done. We can also again just select the to-do that you have, and it will again open it up for you, but just like we created a task on Notion. So this is the one I added. We can add an icon to it, and I'm going to change the icon actually. And then we have add cover, so we can add covers to the task as well. Then we have add property, empty page, new task. So we can create new task within a task as well, which is known as subtask. Then we have statuses and due dates that we can add on Notion. So again, it's similar. You will get 3 dots right here, add to favorites and share option. So this is how you create a task list. Now we have task list as well. Then we can also get like our own projects. Click on the project section right here, and you will be able to create like more than one projects. To create a project, click on new, and then you have to enter a name. So I'm going to call it project Z. Add people. Click on add people, select the people from your team that you want to add to a certain project. This is a new project that we're creating. Add dates. So I'm going to add a date for the project. This is going to be this one, and then we can actually open it up. And again, we will get more options. We have statuses, planning, then we have a completion about this project. This is where I can create a list or a to-do. Then we have project task, where I can create task within a project. So Notion is all-in-one platform, which allows you to create projects, tasks, add team members, also create to-dos for your personal use, and you will also be able to actually create journals and more. So you can get to the templates as well. To create something from the scratch, just click on add a new page, give your page a name. Let's call it a test page, and then you will select that what kind of page you are creating. If it's going to be a table, a board, list, timeline, calendar, or a gallery. Let's say I'm creating something to upload the photos. So I'm going to select gallery, and it will create a page for me with a data source option, where I will be able to upload different things. So on Notion, we can create different pages for different purposes, and then we will have like each of the page with different type of projects and different type of tasks that we can perform. We have settings and members right here. In settings and members, you will be able to find my account, notifications, connections, settings, and members. Click on members, and you can invite as many members as you want, create groups, and also invite guests to your Notion. So this way you will create notes, task, projects, and manage your business with Notion. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.